Hi friends, good afternoon. Today it is 27th February around 12:30. Last video which I put on, number 18 on a monthly friend. I hope you all enjoyed that video. Now this video is regarding Nifty and Bank Nifty, and later on, I'll be putting one video on US indices and another video on all our important, internal indices like Nifty Auto, Nifty IT, Nifty Pharma, and all that. Okay. So now I'm going to go to Nifty first. Okay, we'll go to the Nifty first. And before that, you can go to this video, which is view on important date and the little stocks I mentioned here. And this video I put on 18th October. Okay, and I click this also 18th. Please remember that this also 18th. But whether all 18th month, all 18th date will work magically? No, it's not like that. Monthly, yes, predominantly it work in monthly, but this date was a combination date with a lot of other things. So that's why I made a video on this date saying that be very careful on Nifty and liquidate all the F&O position. Maybe stay in cash position, not in F&O position. And the warning clearly I gave on 18th October. You can go back and watch this video. Okay, now we are going to Nifty. So this was the 18th October high, and 19th was the combination of many astrological event, and from there it started correcting. And I made a video on 18th October. You can go back, watch that video. Okay, and from there we corrected. And from again, I mentioned very clearly in my YouTube channel saying that the view on mega date. Okay, the mega date was this was the Nifty on mega date. Okay, you can watch this video. Clearly predicted that 20th December will be the low of Nifty. Okay, so you can go back and check that video. So exactly it made the low on 20th December, and the next date I got on 24th January. Okay, 24th January. All this is available in my PPT, and all these dates I'll be giving a month beginning itself. Okay, so now leave all the dates. Let's talk about technical. So now if you put a parallel channel, okay, connecting this high and this high and this low, okay, the parallel channel, it took the exact support from the parallel channel, and from there it is going up. And many people asked me whether this is a flag pattern. It is not a flag pattern. For a flag pattern, the pole has to be much deeper because the flag is big. So the pole has to be vertical, and it has to have a bigger depth. Otherwise, this is not a flag. Okay, many people are saying that this is a flag pattern. This is not a flag pattern. Okay, this is not the flag pattern. So the flag should be big, right? So leave that. I don't want to go deep into that. Okay, so now let's take out this. So as of now, Nifty is holding the channel bottom, number one. Number two, if I remove this, okay, so this is a normal trend line. So now it has to break all this trend line. So unless and until Nifty crosses and closes above 17,576, it is sell on rise market only. Please understand that. Okay. As of now, for a trading purpose, perspective, yes, it has made a bottom. And tomorrow is again an important day in the month of January. But the very important day is happening on 1st of March. But the 1st of March is holiday for us. So we'll be seeing the impact on 2nd March. Okay, so now if I connect, this dot, this is based on angle. This is not pitchfork. Okay, this is not Ichimoku. If I connect this angle and the top of this, so I will get the base here. So mostly I am expecting a base to be formed around 15,137 or more or less 14,931, which was 11.46% from February 22nd low. Even you can go back and see my video, the prediction of 11.46%, and after that it fell roughly around 5.5% on the next day, that is on 24th, and it started climbing up. Okay, so for me, we are not still out of woods, and we are still below 200-day SMA, and my important number, which is 16,940, and all that is there, but unless and until it closes above 17,596, this market, again saying, it is sell on rise market only. This is not the time to do your investments. You can do your trading perspective, trading calls, positional and trading, make 500 points, 600 points, 1,000 points in Nifty. All that is fine, but bottom fishing is not here, according to me. Let it close above 17,576. Then I will think about putting my money. And at this point of time, remember, cash is the king. Cash is the king. So if you have, for example, let's say you have 100 rupees with you, maybe you can invest 30%, but not fully. Keep 70% in cash. Market will come and give you better opportunity to buy at a better price. So that's my view. See, I may be wrong, but please consult your financial advisors before taking any investment decision. What I know, what I observe, I am just showing it to you for education purpose. Okay. So now, based on this low to this low, when I connect, so the low forming is somewhere here. So now, when I connect the same, from here to here, okay, so now I will remove this. Okay, this is on the upside angle. When I connect this high and this low, it predicts this is the high. And more or less, we formed the high here and started falling. So simply what I need to do, if I take this out and if I go there and click on the top of it and I connect this low, it will automatically give me the high. Okay, this is angle, this is Gann angle. Okay, so now I'm removing this also. Now, if I connect this low and this top, it will automatically come and give my support level. And that is where Nifty took the support in the month of February on 14th, went up. Again, it came down, not close to below this angle, went up, but finally it broke. This happened on 24th February. So unless and until, if this Nifty doesn't close above this angle level, which is 16,999 level in the coming week, and my number was 16,940, this may be again sell on rise market, and it has to decisively close above this trend line number, which is roughly around 16,171 100 level, and my number is 16,351. So 17,351. So 17,351 to 17,596. Mark these two number in your trading system. These two numbers are very, very vital. If it closes above 17,576, then okay, fine. We may take a positional long. Till that time, you can use this market, any upside rally, for your swing trading or momentum trading, whatever you call. Okay, so based on this, it will face a resistance tomorrow around 16,974. Watch out for this level. And yesterday, all other indices, it went up. So mostly we'll be opening a gap open. And I've clearly mentioned in my PPT, first 1 hour high and low tomorrow will be the key. It has to sustain the first 1 hour high and low. Okay, so this is a simple, Gann angle. And if I do my pitchfork analysis, if I connect this high and this low and this high, it exactly catches the bottom. I don't need to draw anything. If I connect these 3 dots, it will give me bottom. That is why I say pitchfork is very, very powerful. When everybody said, SBI is going to break out at, above 5, it's already in breakout and it is going to go 600. I clearly mentioned when it was at 549, I clearly mentioned it has to close above 550. And that video is also available in LinkedIn. You can go and check. The high made was 549. And from there, it was a fall. That high I captured based on pitchfork. Okay, whether it is easy to use pitchfork? Absolutely no. It is very, very difficult, because you need to understand in which low and which high and another which high are to be connected. ABC point has to be very, very clear before coming to a final discussion or final decision. Okay, so now when I connect these two, this high which happened on October 19th and this low which happened on 20th December and this high which happened on 18th January, it clearly gave a bottom. I have not pinpoint the number, because if I go here, if I pinpoint the number here, it is randomly taken now, it will give the exact bottom. It will give the exact bottom. Okay, this is how pitchfork works. So now I will remove pitchfork also. Then I'll go to my favorite thing, Ichimoku. So till it is below the cloud, it is bearish only, very clear. And if I go to weekly, yes. So in weekly, pitchfork is holding, and in case if it breaks, possibility of taking support on the top of what to say, Ichimoku. I'll show you in my different chart. Okay, so this is weekly, and monthly, you don't need to worry about it. Is good. So last time it came and touched in weekly. In monthly it was 8566. That was my number when I gave a prediction to exit everything at 12,167 in the month of November, and we entered again back at 8566, and from there it went to 7511 also. Anyway, we will definitely watch, but according to me, the bottom will be formed in the month of October 2022 based on my another time cycle analysis, which I already explained. So now, whether I need to do all this exercise to find the bottom and the top, I don't need to do it, because I have my own indicator which will exactly form, which will exactly know where the bottom is going from. I don't need to do any analysis, because I designed this based on so many parameters. So in weekly, I know where it is going to come and touch and where it is going to take the support and go up. Right? So if I go to Bank Nifty, let's talk about Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is looking a little better than Nifty. And if you see last time, if I eyed Ichimoku, the exact bottom was my blue color line. It took exact bottom from here, it went up, and now it is much above this number. So Bank Nifty is better than Nifty according to me. So in case if you want to go positional long, better concentrate on Bank Nifty rather than Nifty. So my indicator will exactly catches the bottom as well as the top, in case if you want. And if I go to 1 day in Bank Nifty. Okay, so this was the buy call, but I clearly mentioned my followers, this is the fake buy, because the next candle has to close above this candle. Otherwise, it's a fake buy where all the retail will get trapped. All the retails will get trapped, because it has become a genuine buy here itself on 20th November 2021. So this is just a fake buy. And even last time when Nifty came to that level, when it gave a buy, I clearly mentioned this is a fake buy, because the next candle has to close below this, above this candle. Otherwise, it's a fake buy. So again, from there it has started falling. So now it will face resistance at 17,493, and these two numbers will act as a key on based on daily. So let's go to weekly and see Ichimoku also. As of now, it has taken the support. So be happy till it doesn't close below 16,074. And last time, 2 days before, we made a low of roughly around 16,250 level. So pray God that it should not close below 16,074 level. And coming to Bank Nifty, okay, these are all my numbers. Okay, so now I'll hide all this. Okay, so this number which will act as a key again, 33,994 and 32,903. Okay, so I will keep all these numbers in my system, so that I don't need to go and watch where Ichimoku is, where pitchfork is. Now I'll keep my numbers in this color, so that it will give me with pinpoint accuracy. And then I will add my data also. So now coming to Bank Nifty, the same analysis I've done, pitchfork connecting the dots, and it exactly got the bottom here on pitchfork. This is the last line of the pitchfork, the end bottom, and this is the median line. So median line, many people say that median line will act as a resistance and support. Normally it doesn't, like it is not like that. So you need to go and understand how this works. This median line is a magnet. It will, whenever it goes and touches the lower line like this, it will act as a magnet and pull the price to that magnet. Okay, so last time from here, it exactly went and touched the median line only. From there, drop. Again went up, again drop. Right? So now it has formed the exact low here. And apart from that, why I'm saying Bank Nifty is much powerful is because the last mega day happened on 20th December, where Nifty made the bottom. But now Nifty has closed below the 20th December low. But Bank Nifty exactly bang on. This was the 20th December high and low, which was 35231 and 34018. It was a big candle on that day. It was 3% down. Always on mega day, you will see minimum 2.5% fall in Nifty or upside in Nifty. So I used to give roughly around 5 to 7 days in a month. Every time that mega day will give you 250 points for sure. Okay. So anyway, I've not written anything for the March month. March month I will do only on first. I will show the PPT also. So now this Bank Nifty is holding 20th December high plus the pitchfork low plus my system design support. It is not even touched. So Bank Nifty looks good. Okay. And I've already mentioned to my followers that these two numbers are very key, which is 35,937 and 35,721. And the weekly breakout is about, this is my weekly number for coming week, which is 36,864. So above that it is bullish. So I don't want to go to my daily routine here. So based on Bank Nifty is holding 20th December high. So we don't need to worry. See, I don't need to put any technicals in this. I don't want to put Ichimoku or pitchfork or Gann angle or your SMA, EMA and all that. According to me, this date holds a key, finished. Till it holds 20th December high, I'll be happy. Okay, I will definitely put what is the next date is going to come in the month of March. So based on the indicator, so this indicator, it catches the exact high and low, everything, and it works in all time frames. I can go to 1 hour. In 1 hour also it works, right? So this is how I designed my system. And if you go, I'll just show you one example and finish this video. I'm going to cover that very soon. This was Dow Jones. Okay, so where is it? No, bottom. The bottom is exactly here. So it exactly came and touched my red and blue, and from there it moved up. This is on a weekly trend. So this is how I can do all my checking where it is touching and where it is going. So Nasdaq is looking still weak because it is closed below, but the candle is still green. So we don't need to worry about in Nasdaq till the candle is green. If it goes to red on a weekly, you need to be very, very cautious. So I'll cover this in detail in the next video. So coming to my PPT. So I've already, this is the February dates. For February, what all happened, all these dates will be given much before. Okay, so these are the dates for February, and let's go to January and see. These are the dates for January. So I'll be writing for the month of March also, right? So each day will definitely give you 250 points and 750 points in Bank Nifty, right? So I think mostly I covered Nifty and Bank Nifty, and all the numbers, just a minute, all the numbers I've already covered in my March month PPT, which I already started. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, so this is my March month PPT. So I'll be removing all these dates after the February is over, which is on Monday. Then I will add my numbers here, and the weekly observation for 28th to 4th I've already done, and whatever I spoke there, it is already written here. Then what are the important numbers to observe? See, after doing my date analysis, then I will go to my technical analysis of using pitchfork, Ichimoku, Gann, and other stuff. Then I will go to my indicator, I will initiate my buy or sell based on positional or intraday or whatever. So that's how I work. Okay. So this will be educational video. As of now, Nifty and Bank Nifty took the support at the exact pitchfork bottom. Let's see how it works. But again, I'm saying we are not out of the woods. We will be seeing some more pain. And cash is the king. Again, saying cash is the king. Hold on to your cash. You will get an opportunity to enter stocks at a better price. And in case if the market is going from here, maybe if anything, everything goes smooth, outside, we will buy it at a convincing price, even at a higher level also, no problem. But we need to be convinced when there is a political, geopolitical event is happening. If something is not clear, it's better to stay away. Market will give you opportunity. It doesn't need that, I need to catch every bottom and then I need to buy only at the bottom and sell only at the top. It's not going to happen in history. So in case if it let it close above 17,576, we will buy again Tata Motors at 500, no problem. Okay, so don't worry about it. Market will give you plenty of opportunity, and till October 22nd, 2022, market will give you enough opportunity to buy at the lower level. That's my view. I may be wrong, so kindly do your analysis and consult your financial advisors before taking any decisions on investing in any market. In mutual funds, cryptos, anything and everything. Consult your financial advisors. This is just an educational video. Thanks for watching this video. I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so go with your own advisors. See you soon on US markets. Bye.